Smoking doesn't just damage your lungs, it fills your entire body with toxic tar. It slowly eats away at your very bones.
Ever wonder what smoking does to your lungs? They go from healthy pink to a toxic gray. Tar builds up, making it hard to breathe. Protect your body and don't start.
Ever wonder how we actually see? Light enters your eyes and hits the retina. The optic nerve sends signals to the brain. Your brain interprets it as an image.
Discover the most powerful organs in the human body. The heart beats over 100,000 times a day. Your liver performs over 500 vital functions, and the lungs masterfully oxygenate your entire body.
The human heart is an absolute mechanical marvel. It beats over 100,000 times every day, pushing blood through vast networks to deliver vital oxygen. Inside your head is an organ more powerful than any supercomputer. It stores decades of memories and creates every dream you have, all while weighing just 1.4 kilograms.
Inside your brain live 86 billion neurons. Each is an electrical messenger. Its blood vessels extend for hundreds of kilometers. Imagine that hidden inside your head.
They create a network so enormous that scientists compare it to the entire universe. Amazing fact number 2. If you stretched all the blood vessels in your brain, they would extend for hundreds of kilometers.
Your body is over 60% water. Drinking enough water is vital for your brain and joints. Stay hydrated and stay healthy. Your body is a complex machine. A balanced diet fuels every single cell, from energy production in your mitochondria to repairing tissues and boosting immunity. Eat well to live better.
Your body is a masterpiece of nature. Every breath sustains an intricate network of life, but it relies on you to protect it. Eat well, move daily, and thrive. Take care of your health today. Many of you ladies are always having unwanted pregnancy. Subscribe to my channel and learn how to read your menstrual cycle and be free from such.
Your body is an incredible machine. Understanding it is the most important thing you can do. So hit that subscribe button. Let's master your human anatomy together.
The human brain isn't just an organ. It's the control center of your entire life. Every thought, every memory, every dream, every decision begins here. If you enjoyed this journey into the amazing world of the brain, make sure to subscribe to Human Anatomy for more fascinating adventures inside the human body. Give this video a like if you learned something new today, and tell us in the comments which brain fact amazed you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Human Anatomy episode.